Hello, another AQA A-level physics question on the particles topic. If you want to try to answer this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer C, well done. So, a radioactive nuclide, it's thorium-90 there, decays by 1 alpha emission followed by 2 beta minus emissions. Which nuclide is formed as a result of these decays? So let's have a look. First of all, let's have a look what happens to the atomic number when alpha decay occurs. So when alpha decay occurs, the atomic number decreases by -2 because we're losing 2 protons, and the atomic number is the number of protons. What happens to the atomic number when beta minus decay occurs? The atomic number increases by 1 because we've got a neutron decaying into a proton, so we get an extra proton. What happens to the atomic mass? Well, atomic mass is a number of protons and neutrons, and when alpha decay occurs, 2 protons and 2 neutrons are emitted, so the mass decreases by -4. With beta minus decay, there's no change in the atomic mass because there's a neutron changing into a proton, so the total number of nucleons remains the same. So let's have a look. We want, if we've got 1 alpha and 2 beta emissions, so 1 alpha and 2 beta minus emissions, the atomic number is going to be -2, and then 2 plus 1s, the atomic number is going to be unchanged, and the atomic mass, again, the alpha will give me -4, 2 beta minus is no change, the atomic mass will be 4 different. So the atomic number we need to be 90, and the atomic mass we need to be 288. So there's your answer, which is answer C. If you found this useful, hit that subscribe button please, share with your friends and watch more in the series. Thank you for watching.